ignorance, shame on you. That's not the republic which I long for. Remember, in the Greek conception of democracy, it's Plato's The Republic. Have you read Plato's The Republic? It's not just once every 3 or 6 years we vote. That's democracy na. Pagkatapos, tameme na. Wala nang power to speak up. Democracy is you could speak up. You have freedom of speech. Huwag kang matakot. Wala ka namang ginawang mali eh. That is democracy. Ngayon, ang democracy nila in the West, for instance, or even in other countries in the world, it is already fascism, right-wing. Ginawa nilang fascism ang democracy. Kung saan ipwersa ka, i-cancel ka because you are speaking the truth. That's not democracy, that's fascism. Right-wing alliance with big corporation, including big pharma. That's wrong. You need to get re-educate holistically. Hindi kailangan maging religious. No. Spiritual, yes. Hindi lang tayo sa rites and rituals. Our belief system, because colonized tayo by Spain. Then America, rock and roll. Kaya hindi mo ma-spelling minsan. Where is the Filipino culture, our national identity? So from which we can develop nationally. Hindi lang tayo kapit din na American system, not even China system, which is relatively better. We have to develop our own model. The path of development, our own statecraft. Develop our own model of development. Peace through development. At tama naman ang China, win-win cooperation. Bakit tayo bangayan over something na we can in bayanihan way, we can cooperate collectively. So get involved, people, in your own way. Social media, blogging, or even in school. When I was teaching in university, at the state university, premier state university, I encourage my students about this thing. Some people couldn't understand. I was teaching chemistry, but already I was also teaching about awareness.
May I know, sir, what university are you teaching?
Oh, the premier state university. Alam na nila yun.
Is that UP?
Diliman yan,
Diliman.
UP Diliman. So anyway, I'm not self-aggrandizing. I'm just saying from experience, from my own understanding, which is hopefully enlightened, will help also enlighten you. So when I was in university, I mentored, not only taught, I mentored students. So outside as a private sector, even in my entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, I mentor people, what's the right way. Yung mga hindi nagbabayad, magbayad kayo sa mga utang ninyo. Tinulungan kayo through microfinance, learn to pay up also. Kasi hindi naman yan rights and privileges. There's duty and responsibility of each.
Tingin mo bakit ginigipit nila si VP Sara ngayon ng Congress?
Mali yan. Dinidistract lang nila ang taong bayan kasi ang administrasyon nila incompetent. Anong nagawa? Flood control project, mga funds na yun nataan.
Yung mga ayuda, sir.
Yun ang the ayuda. Ayuda is a wrong way of making people dependent hinoon tuloy sa gobyerno. Ang nakakatanggap kung sino man yun, maski sila, may dignidad sila. Sabi ni Senator Nikki Cositeng, ang fishermen, ang mga magsasaka, sinasabi nila mismo, Hindi yan ang kailangan namin na ayuda. Kailangan namin magbigyan kami ng dignidad. Ang dignidad nakukuha sa tamang edukasyon, tamang hanap buhay, tamang pag-iisip, tamang pananalita at tamang paggalaw. Kailan tayo magkakaisa? Kung mali ang gobyerno, sabihin natin, bakit magkatakot? Ang gobyerno representante lang ang power nakasalalay at galing sa mga tao. So, yung i-downgrade nila si Sara Duterte, alibay, they are scapegoating. Naintindihan nyo yun? Parang that's an abuse, gross abuse of power. Why aren't the people so many? Where are the people? Dapat marami tayo na ambag sa kaalaman na mali yun. Anong nagawa nila? Eh sila nga ayaw nilang magpa-investigate sa mga mga confidential fund, intelligence fund.
Yun nga yung problema.
Ang ginagawa nila, maski sa budget, maski hindi confidential, certification, liquidation by certification.
Acknowledgement receipt.
Mali yun. Dapat ay sa Amerika, na-observe ko talaga na sa Congress nila, ang expenses nila, maski sa taxi, sa meals, sa hotel stay or whatever, sa per diem nila, itemized yan
Documented.
sa budget. Amerika yan. So, I'm sure ganon din sa China o sa iba. Bakit sa Pilipinas, liquidation by certification lang? Abuso yan ah. We need to know where our tax money went. Tapos pag magkulang na ang deficit kasi kulang sa accountability and transparency, what? Utang na naman sa World Bank, IMF. My God! And now BRICS is here. We ought to be supporting BRICS because for the global south, we have to have alternative. When it's we are de-dollarizing, no, we're just saying give the people option, give the people choice, give the people alternative. Di naman bobo ang mga tao. Takot lang. Bakit takot? Kasi kulang sa kaalaman. Once you have knowledge and the right experience, mawala yung lahat ng takot mo. Because with truth, may ilaw ka. That's how you say, get enlightened. Ilaw. Maliwanagan ka. Pag maliwanagan ka, mawala yung takot, alinlangan, at yung mga paghuhusga sa kapwa. We are here to love one another without being religious. Empathy and compassion kailangan. That Buddha taught that, and Buddhism is not a religion, it's psychotherapy. Therapy. People are suffering. Students